Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 229 East Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular Canandaigua Lake estate with a stunning timber frame dream home and exceptional waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and lake friends with this impressive architect-designed timber frame home with a covered entryway and a stunning mahogany front door.
This is a dream come true with this ultimate Lakeview great room. Featuring a designer cook's kitchen with custom cherry cabinetry with under cabinet lighting, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a granite countertop center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with a vaulted ceiling, artistic timbers, and covered porch access. And the expansive living area with Douglas fir and southern yellow pine timbers, a stone gas fireplace, and the hallmark of this home, a 20-foot pine cathedral ceiling with a wall of windows, all with bamboo floors and breathtaking lake views. The first floor also features a powder room with a beautiful petrified sink, laundry, and a mahogany spiral staircase leading to a loft or potential bedroom with wood pine floors and lake views.
This first floor owner suite has it all. With a spa bathroom, with a granite countertop, cherry wood vanity, and a walk-in shower, and a spacious cathedral ceiling bedroom, with a walk-in closet and a balcony with panoramic lake views.
This incredible walkout lower level provides great additional living space, with 2 spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets, and 2 full bathrooms, including a guest suite. Plus a living area with bamboo floors and a wall of windows with lake views and patio access.
The architectural detail and craftsmanship is evident in this ultimate timber frame dream home. The exceptional outdoor entertainment areas include an outdoor dining area, a Lakeview hot tub, even an incredible clay tennis court. This property is situated on over 20 hillside acres with potential subdivision opportunities. Enjoy easy waterfront access with your own private tram, leading to over 800 feet of beautiful Canandaigua Lake waterfront. This very private eastside location offers the afternoon sun and amazing sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 229 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!